We have some breaking news if you hold Dogecoin. So this morning, the price of Dogecoin surged over 40% because Elon Musk came out with a tweet and said Tesla will make some merch buyable with Doge, and we will see how it goes. I believe that Elon Musk is now paving the way to accept Dogecoin for Tesla vehicles. This is going to be absolutely huge and monumental for Dogecoin. In this video, we're going to be covering Tesla accepting Dogecoin for merch and to even buy vehicles. We're also going to be talking about the whole crypto market because we have the Fed meeting today, which could potentially crash cryptos again even further. So make sure you watch this video until the end. You cannot miss anything that I have in store for you today. What's up, Miles? Ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos that I make about cryptocurrencies every single day. Also, if you love cryptocurrencies, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below, is Tesla going to accept Dogecoin finally for payments for their vehicles? Also, if you want to get access to the most profitable trading community on YouTube for cryptocurrencies, join my Patreon right now where you get my trade alerts when I'm buying and selling. You also get my hidden updates into the markets when things are about to go bearish, when things are about to crash, when things are pumping. I give you guys all of this inside information so you don't have to be looking on your phone or scrounging the internet for information. You have all of it accessed right at your fingers in the Patreon. In the Patreon, you can also message me every single day. I have a 6,000 member Discord, which you can join. You can even talk to me on the phone where we can go over your current portfolio, move some things around, and get you introduced into the best cryptocurrencies this year. Make sure you also follow all of my socials. The links for all of that will be in my video description. And last but not least, don't forget to get your 5 free stocks worth up to $8,000. All you have to do is click my WEBULL link below and deposit 1 penny, and they will send you 5 free stocks worth up to $8,000, which you can immediately sell or buy cryptos with. So let's go ahead and dive straight into the content. So what we are seeing again, CoinMarketCap, we are seeing again another dip in the crypto market, except Dogecoin. Dogecoin is still up over 20%, but Dogecoin, guys, from the bottom this morning to the top, hit nearly 40%, guys. Dogecoin was up 40% this morning. Now, it would not surprise me if Dogecoin comes all the way back down at least, but there might be a lot of people buying Dogecoin right now and holding it, expecting Elon Musk to announce something here very soon. Maybe this year that Tesla will accept Dogecoin as payment for their vehicles. That news alone will definitely cause a massive spike, a massive bull run again for Dogecoin, which we'll probably see maybe 50, 60, 70 cents with that news right there, guys. That news could send Dogecoin soaring. It could cause the hype back again. It could cause some crazy things to happen for Dogecoin, which I surely am expecting at some point during this bull run. But this morning, Elon Musk came out and said, let's go ahead and read the tweet word for word. Tesla will make some merch buyable with Dogecoin and see how it goes. So apparently, what Elon Musk and what Tesla wants to do is they want to start accepting Dogecoin. They want to start accepting Dogecoin as payment for their vehicles, not only just merchandise, buy hats and other things. No, they want to accept Dogecoin, but what they have to do is they have to start small. They have to start small with smaller items to see if their processors can handle it, to see if everything will work fine, and then they can do bigger purchases. So this is surely a sure sign, in my opinion, a sure sign that Tesla and Elon Musk are going to accept Dogecoin for payments for their vehicles. Now, let me show you exactly why I even think this even further. So back a couple of months ago, there was a data miner who went onto the Tesla website and was looking through some of the files. And what they discovered was that there was some files, there were some codes to allow you to buy Tesla vehicles with Dogecoin, with cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. So they went into the files and they saw that this was programmed in to the website, but it wasn't officially updated. It wasn't live. Now, why would Tesla have this in their files if they weren't going to accept Bitcoin and Dogecoin again? It's just a sure thing, in my opinion, that it only confirms that they are going to accept Dogecoin at some point, especially Bitcoin again. When Tesla announces that they will accept Bitcoin and Dogecoin again, this could potentially, especially because it's going to be involving Bitcoin, could potentially cause the bull run of the cryptocurrency market yet again. It happened way before when Elon Musk said that he bought Bitcoin and that Tesla's buying Bitcoin. It literally shot Bitcoin up and the crypto market up like crazy and very, very fast. So that's what we are seeing right now. So guys, this could actually not only affect Dogecoin, not only affect Bitcoin, but the whole crypto market. And that's why this is so very vital for us to talk about. But what we are still seeing, ladies and gentlemen, is that we are now seeing again another dip in the cryptocurrency market, especially from this morning and yesterday, guys. After all of the big drops happened, we started to see some green. But here it is, the Fed meeting. Jerome Powell is going to be speaking very soon today. He's going to be addressing the nation about the economy, about inflation, and there is a lot of fear, guys. There's a lot of FUD happening that is surrounding that whole issue. Now, a lot of people are fearing that something bad is going to be said, which is going to crash the stock market, crash the crypto market again. And if I go ahead and show you guys the indices of the stock market, they are bleeding out right now, guys. They are definitely bleeding out. But what we have to do is we have to go to the bigger time frame, and they're still looking fine. They're still looking totally fine. So what this is the S&P 500. We also have the Dow Jones, and we also have the NASDAQ, which is bleeding out even more profusely. So the NASDAQ is seeing a dip from the high of the 22nd of November of a 6% dip. It's nothing absolutely crazy. It's just a little bit of a correction. But what we are seeing right here is the inverse head and shoulders most likely playing out. And this could be the final drop that we need to bring us back into the bull market. So if we take a look and we see that the stock market is dropping and then the crypto market is dropping, it's because there's some type of economical news, some type of FUD on the internet, in the media, that's dropping everything. And the reason why stocks drop and cryptos drop at the same time is because of Wall Street. The big money managers, the big whales, they're heavily invested into cryptocurrencies. And when they start getting fearful due to a future event like what's happening today, they start selling cryptos, they start selling their stocks, and it drops the prices of cryptocurrencies. It drops the prices of everything. But what it does is provides buying opportunities for us retail investors to get in at some really good discounts. So now we notice that mostly the stock market is dipping heavier than the crypto market, and that could potentially be a good sign. What we need to be seeing is the crypto market decoupling from the stock market. And that has happened before last year, and it could happen again, especially with inflation, because inflation is not good for the stock market, but inflation is very good for cryptocurrencies. It's very good for Bitcoin. It's very good for Ethereum, for all the cryptocurrencies that we hold, because it gives people a stronger reason and a stronger conviction to invest in cryptocurrencies, because cryptocurrencies, they appreciate in value. The US dollar is depreciating at a very rapid rate because they continue to print as much money as they want to for whatever programs, whatever reasons they have and want. So most of the US money supply has been printed in the last several months. Like 50% of the US money supply has been printed in the last 90 days or so. That's a very scary thing. But Bitcoin, these cryptocurrencies, they've barely been inflated. Some of them have been inflated, but like 2% a year, 3% a year, versus the US dollar is depreciating at a very rapid rate, 15, 20% a year, especially with the inflation of common goods and services. So it's giving people and companies, countries, and all these investors a stronger reason and conviction to get into cryptocurrencies. So at first, yes, inflation can drop the price of cryptocurrencies because of how closely at sometimes it is tied to the stock market and Wall Street. But eventually what's going to happen is that the stock market is going to crash while cryptos go up. And that's going to happen here most likely very, very soon. And that's how these cryptocurrencies can hit these crazy price predictions that we've been talking about. So what we need to do is we need to continue to be patient, hodl with diamond hands. But remember, none of this is financial advice. And if you've got something out of this video so far, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought about this video so far. But guys, what we need to do is we need to be patient. We need to wait for all of this FUD to pass, because the FUD will pass and we will bounce up, we will recover, and we will make some money in cryptocurrencies. It's just a matter of time. We may be held down for a week, another couple of weeks. That's certainly a possibility. But any second, we are due for a major bounce and a major pump and bull run in the cryptocurrency market. Now, as far as Dogecoin is concerned, it would not surprise me if we did continue to correct lower, especially with the Fed meeting today. Every time Dogecoin has a big pump, it always comes down. The last 10 pumps, that has what has been happening. So we just need to be completely mindful of that. But it also would not be a bad idea to continue to hodl Dogecoin even at these very levels, knowing that Dogecoin will be accepted by Tesla. And when that does happen, there's going to be a major pump, most likely, in my opinion. So if you got something out of this video so far, give this video a thumbs up, share this video with a friend or family member. Go ahead and check out the Patreon, get that money from WEBULL, and I will see you all later.